Stainless steel flush door bolt is installed into the edge of the door to hold the door. It has a toggle lever that is moved up and down, which locks or unlocks an inactive door. It can be made of stainless steel SUS 201, SUS 304 or SUS 316 material. The door bolt is sturdy and reliable enough for residential daily using, and it often installed on an active leaf of double door opening to offer safety. We have more than 25 years experiences in door bolt field and work with brands of European